Hello everyone, thank you for joining me and happy holidays wherever you are. Today I am doing a broccoli cheese. Obviously you can do a cauliflower or a dauphinoise potatoes. This is a very, very rough guide, but it always works even when you need to add some more sauce, as I did later. Don't tell anyone. So we are going to boil our broccoli from cold. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. And then for your sauce, the butter and the flour are going to be about 10% of what you're adding for your milk. So that's our butter going in. And when you go to add in your flour, please make sure it's not on the heat. If it seems to be taking too long, then you may have cooked your flour through. Yeah, there we go. Let's add that in. So this is obviously a very rough roux sauce. Add some seasoning and then add our milk. So I began with 60 grams of butter, 60 grams of flour and 600 ml of milk. I then had to make another 200 ml of milk later because it wasn't quite enough, and then I decided to change my pans as well. Not pan, baking dish. So once it starts to thicken, it will suddenly get thick, so you'll notice. You can add your cheese in. If you think you've left it a bit too long and it's a bit too thick, just add some more milk. It should be fine. Fairly easy to rescue that sauce. And then, yeah, pop it on top. If you want to know cheese, I don't normally bother weighing it out or anything, but I think I roughly used about 175, 200 grams. And then when you go to cook this, it'll be going in the oven for about half an hour and at 200 degrees Celsius. I'm really sorry, I can't remember what that is Fahrenheit off the top of my head. Add the cheese. So I used Red Leicester, but I would maybe recommend cheddar or a cheddar and blue cheese mix. That was very nice. Let me know how you get on. As always, stay safe, Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next one.